Hi there, everyone. It is currently March 20th, 2013. I know I just recently made a video, but I'm going to make another one here on your Wednesday for several reasons. There is several things going on right now. First and foremost, it is this towards the east of the Philippines. Look at that, just towards the west of Palau. A tropical depression, according to the Japan Meteorological Agency. That is Invest 99W. We've been talking about this for a few days, and well, this storm is just being a doozy and wants to hang on and be persistent. I mean, here on today's daily satellite analysis, we actually posted it out here saying that is a tropical wave expected to bring rain showers to the Philippines on Thursday going into Friday. That's what we've said all week into last week, and nothing new there. You should not be surprised. But it looks like it may very well get enough organized, a center of circulation, develop into a tropical depression. The end result, it's still going to bring a heavy amount of rainfall to eastern portions of Visayas and Mindanao, just like I've been saying here. So, like I also said, I would not be surprised if an LPA is issued for the east coast of the Philippines by the end of the work week, as this area continues to push off there towards the west. You can actually see it here on the satellite imagery, a slight circulation already, so thus that becoming a tropical depression, which just clearly means a circulation in the tropics less than 35 knots. Well, that looks like it already is starting to develop and push off there towards the west. So something to watch out for. Also, we have another low pressure area you can see here developing off of Japan and Korea. Actually, some snow showers pushing in through here. Following heavy snow showers just towards the northwest of Beijing. Yesterday and this morning, that was a thing. But also, we're seeing this rain showers push across Japan. Even some thunderstorm activity expected there in Okinawa. And then the yellow sand threat, which if we take a look at JMA's forecast on, you can see that it is going to loom over much of South Korea, western Japan, even extending into the Tokyo and Kanto area throughout your day on your Wednesday. But look towards the west of Beijing out there, closer to the Gobi Desert. I'm not going to complain about the air quality here because it is going to be just absolutely terrible there for you in northeastern China. Switching gears again and looking farther towards the south here at the Hong Kong radar from the Hong Kong Observatory, and a good friend there, James Reynolds, throughout the day was talking about what he's seen, which was a fairly exciting and bright lightning show put on by these storms, now pulling away from the Hong Kong area. But look at this, upwards of 600, nearly 700 lightning strikes between 4 and 5 p.m. here in Hong Kong. Those are cloud-to-ground strikes as well. These are cloud-to-cloud. The cloud-to-ground ones definitely likely hitting some of these tall buildings across the city. So we also put the isolated thunderstorms there into our satellite analysis here into southeastern China, along with the developing low, that moisture coming in from the south. But as far as our tropical depression looping back around, and we zoom in on it from the high resolution Euro model just towards the south of Palau, you can see that circulation spinning up, moving off towards the northwest. Well, this is somewhat organized. The moisture intake is coming in from our Invest 99W, but this is actually forming a little bit towards the southwest of it. In reality, but still it is going to continue to bring these gradient-induced winds due to our tropical depression and the easterlies there and the remnants of the northeast monsoon. And another reason why I put today's update in here following the last one is because the Pagasa has officially said the dry season is over with. That means the end of northeast monsoon, the start of the southwest monsoon. That means more moisture coming in out of the tropics. And I noticed on a lot of your tweets there coming out of the Philippines that, well, it is exceptionally hot. And that would make sense because now Pagasa has said that the northeast monsoon is over. Thus, more moisture for this possibly tropical depression or low pressure area to develop and push off there towards the west, likely making landfall here on Thursday going into Friday. You can see that there, but just look at the streaming in of the moisture coming in from the west. Actually, we put up the MSL at the same time just prior to landfall. The heaviest amount of rain is going to be there towards the north into Visayas. So really, what this is doing, it's not going to bring an abundant amount of winds. I want to strongly stress that. I'm saying it's a tropical system, but it is just going to enhance the now northeast monsoon, switching to southwest monsoon, but the easterlies overall, it's going to enhance it. bring some more rainfall coming in from the Philippine Sea, which if we see the sea surface temperature, or at least the anomalies of the sea surface temperatures here into the northwestern Pacific, you can see that they are above average there in the Philippine Sea. So just providing more moisture for this tropical system or any tropical possible development to form up and eventually push on shore and just bring a heavy amount of rainfall. And that is also something I want to talk about here. And this is March. The sea surface temperatures in the Philippine Sea are above average. A little cold there and also colder off towards the north. But as far as this formation area for the beginning of the season, this is above average. Remember, this is the anomalies, not the actual sea surface temperatures. One reason why, actually down here towards the northeast of Queensland, why you have not seen as many strong tropical systems. It's a little bit colder here, by about 1 to 2 degrees, so a little bit less latent fuel heat source, that is. But that is all for me today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy the webpage as well. Here is just a quick look at the front page. You can see our Westpac logo contest is still going on, but it ends today, so hooray for that. I'm actually going to release the results here on your Wednesday if you are watching this on Wednesday, so look forward to that. Somebody wins a 3,000 point iTunes gift card and also some merchandise with the logo they created on it, so great news there. But also don't forget to go to Facebook and Twitter, hit the like button, and as always, thanks for watching.